Hey guys, and welcome to RoboCAD. In this tutorial we will model this first link of the robotic arm, so let's begin. So first I will click on File, click on New, select Part and click OK because we are working in the part file. Now change the background to plain white, this is optional. And now make sure that you are working in mmgs as units, which means millimeters. And I will select the front plane and click on Sketch. I will select here a circle and create a circle at the origin and another circle here like this. Press escape button, hold the control key and select these two centers of the circle and make relation vertical. Right now hold control key, select these two circles and make relation equal from here or here. Right, and after that I will select here smart dimensioning tool and I will specify the diameter of only this circle as 42. The other circle already has assigned a 42 millimeter dia because both of these circles are equal. Now I will select a center line and create a center line here, and after that I will select here smart dimensioning tool and here specify the length of this center line as 120 millimeter. And now I will select here a dot, a point and create a point here. Press escape button. Now I will find the center of this center line, hold control key, select these 2 points, make relation horizontal, and then I will select the smart dimensioning tool and specify the distance between these 2 points as 15 millimeter. Okay, now I will select mirror entities. In this entities to mirror window I will select the point mirror about this line and it has been mirrored. Right, now I will select 3-point arc, 1 2 and 3-point in space, and then I will select smart dimensioning tool. From this center point of the circle to this point of the 3-point arc I will specify the distance, vertical distance as 6 millimeter, and same here 6 millimeter the vertical distance. Now press escape button, hold control key, select the arc and this point, make relation coincident, and we are done. Now I will mirror this on the other side, so select mirror entities and entities to mirror. I will select this arc, mirror about this line, done. Okay, so we are done with this very complex sketch. Now go to features, select extruded boss base, and in the dimensions I will specify 21 millimeters, and in selected contours we will select these 4 portions, 1 2, these are 2 3 and 4. So all of the sketch parts have been selected right here, and I will check the box. Now I will find here a plane. In my case this is the right plane, so which basically cut this part in half. So right click on the right plane and click on sketch. Now I'll create here 2 lines, one horizontal and not up to midpoint, up to here before the midpoint, and a vertical line like this. Now I will specify the distance, so this is 42 millimeter, the vertical line, and the horizontal line is going to be 11. Right, and then I will select here 3-point arc, 1 2 3, and the radius of this one is going to be 60 millimeter. Alright, so I want to mirror the same thing on the other side, so for that purpose I will select here a center line and create a horizontal line at the midpoint. Find the midpoint, create a horizontal line, make sure that this is horizontal by assigning the horizontal relation. Okay, so select mirror entities. In this window I will select the sketch, the above sketch, 3 lines, and mirror about this horizontal line, so it is mirrored as you can see in the yellow colored area. Now I will cut this So go to features, select extrude cut, and I want to cut on the both sides. So see the yellow color material on the one side, so I will select here through all both, right? Okay, check the box. Right, so now I will assign some fillets, although we are left with a lot of things, but this is 11 millimeter, and I will select this edge and this edge, only the two edges. Okay, and then I will check the box. Okay, now I will select top plane, which is basically this plane. This can be different in your case, but this is the plane that I'm gonna select and click on sketch. Now I will select a circle, create a circle here. Okay, now select smart dimension tool. The diameter of the circle is 11.5, and the distance from this midpoint to this midpoint of the circle, this is 9. Press escape button, hold control key, select the center and the center of the circle, make relation vertical. Sketch is fully defined, as you can see from here. Now go to features, select extrude cut, and since we have used throughout both in previous features, so direction 2 automatically selected, you need to uncheck direction 2, and here select blind. You can change the direction of the blind from here, right? And I will specify here 125 millimeter. Direction is wrong, you can correct it from here. You can see the yellow color material. Basically check the box, and this has been created. Okay, before moving any further, I want to specify some material, although we are left with some features. This is an optional thing. It doesn't look very nice, but okay. Now I will specify some fillets. We are left with some more cuts, so before doing that, I will select here fillets. 2 millimeter radius is fine, and same on the other side. So these 4 edges. Check the box. Okay, now I will change. It's not looking good. Okay, so select the back side of the part, click on sketch, and I will select this outside edge and select convert entities. Then I will select it again and click on offset entities. I want this to be reversed internally, right? So I will check that, and here I will specify 3 millimeter as the offset distance and check the box. Now I have that, so I will select a circle, center point to this point, create a circle. Now I want the same circle on the other side as well. So for what I will do, I will mirror that. So I need a reference center line. I will find the midpoint, create a horizontal line, make sure that this is horizontal, so assign a horizontal relation, and then I will select mirror entities, select this circle only, or you can select entire sketch, is up to you. Mirror it like this. Now I want to cut it, so go to features, select extruded cut, but I do not want to cut it from the bottom. So here I will select these 2 circles for the contours, and here specify offset of 6 millimeter, not in this direction but the opposite direction. So it will start cutting from here. Let me show you. Check the box. As you can see, the bottom area is not cut, only this top area, right? So now I will select this surface, click on sketch, and now I will create here 3 circles. So 1, 2, and the third one I will mirror that. So now create here a center line. This center line will be used to mirror things, right? Make sure that this is horizontal, so assign a horizontal relation. Now hold control key, select these 2 circles of the circle, make relation vertical. Now the diameter of this circle is going to be 7.5. The diameter of the shorter or smaller circle is 3, and the distance between these 2 circles are 7.25. Okay, so now I will mirror the smaller circle on the other side. So I will select mirror entities and I will mirror it like this. Check the box. Now I want to mirror the bottom sketch to the top, so I will create a center line here in the midpoint and I will make relation horizontal, and then I'll select here mirror entities. I'll select these three circles and I will mirror it about the horizontal line. Okay, now I will only cut it, so go to features, select extrude cut, specify through all in direction 1 and check the box. So I have created this Link-1 of the robotic arm, so now I will save it. So for that I will go to file, click on save as, and I have created robotic arm in the parts folder. It's up to you. That's how I create this. So I will save it as link_1. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching.